For problem 3, the company is suffer from lack of communication between departments, and Emily was asked to purchase the server for building internet. And for part A, she is asked to evaluate the number and the type of service to purchase on a month-to-month basis. And for this question, that every month, also there's a table that providing the timeline and the requirements chart. So first week is the education of this internet, so there's no server need to be purchased at the first month, and in second month, the server needs to support every employee in sales department, and the third month for manufacturing department, and the fourth month for warehouse department, and the last month 5 for marketing department. And so for month 1, there's no server, so cost 0. And for number 2, the numbers of employee needs is 60, and there's a budget for month 2 and month 1, so it's right here. And this is I set X be the number of servers purchased in each month. So for first month, this is the total cost. And the first constraint is to support 60 employees, and this is the less than the budget. And for third month, is to support 200 employees, and the manufacturing department needs at least one of the power for the last 3 servers, so that's greater than 1. And for month 4 is just to support 30 of the employees, and for month 5 is supporting 75 of the employees. And here's my code that I can run on this. So so this means that purchase 2 of the standard Intel server is good for month 2, and the budget is 5,000. And for the month 3 is to purchase the SGI workstation, and the cost is 10,000. And for month 4 is by the standard Intel server, and cost 2,500. And this is push the second server, and this is the cost for month 5. And the total cost will be 22,500. And for part B, she was asked to, Emily decided to use, consider the purchase over the entire planning period, which means that the server that you purchase, if you purchase a large server, strong server, it can support the employees across the departments. And I said Xij be the number of servers purchased in month J, and I equals to the type of servers. And the J starts from month 2 to month 5. And then I set 2 binary variables. Both of them represents the whether or not to purchase SGI in month 1 or 2. And so for this question, binary y variable is introduced in the objective function, and z is used as in the constraints, and this means that they whether or not to purchase server SGI workstation in month month 2 is aligned with the value of y and z. And this means that the manufacturing department needs at least one of the more powerful stations servers. And here's my code. So for 3B, run this. And as we can see that it asks the Emily to purchase one SGI station in month 2 and one SGI workstation in month 3. And this is the binary variable. Question 3 asked for what's the difference between the part A and B. The two methods is different because one is on the month-to-month basis, and the other one is on the entire purchase month, like total month. So if, as I said before, that if you purchase a powerful server, it can support employees across the departments for the later month, and which means that the purchase decision you make in the first months will affect the later ones. And part D is what can be other costs that is not considered in this problem. I list some right here is like a label cost for the installation, support hardware associated with the servers, and the training cost for education or something like that. And for part E, what further concerns might be the virus department of this company can regarding the internet. I said here that it will reduce the waste or unwanted pages, but on the employees' perspective, that the company might lay off the unnecessary employees in the future if they reduce the production in manufacturing department. Also, because the internet is might have something the information passed through the network might cause concern about data securities, that sharing information should be carefully considered. That's all for part 3, actually.